Hey everybody, so we've got a quick unboxing of all these items I picked up from Harbor Freight. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody. Alright, so we're gonna quickly just unbox majority of this stuff real quick. The towels, not going to be that hard. Just pop the little plastic holders. Okay, those two are done. And these are item number 60232. Just going to use some little side cutters. Make life a little easier. Those are done. Okay. This set is the one I got this set for $10, or it was $9.90 something. And this is item number 4885, which is the industrial 12-piece punch and chisel set. I did show that on the tool haul video where I opened it up. The bonnets, I'm going to leave in here until I'm ready to use them. Grab the little Warrior power cutter. We're going to open the last three items. Okay, which is these guys right here. It does come with a microfiber pad and some sanding paper. These have worked well. I do have the larger version, which is larger one, which is the 7-inch ones, this guy right here. I have the polishing bonnet on it. Put the sandpaper in the sandpaper drawer. Okay, I'm going to cut this guy open. If this power cutter will do it, I don't know. Woo! Kind of struggled. Tray out. There's a little bit of scuffing on the back, so cardboard definitely did its job, which is this is the 6 1/4 by 14 1/8 stainless steel tray. See if I can get this sticker out. I don't know why they stuck these stickers in here. sticker did. Put that guy back there. Put the tray upside down so I don't have to fight it. And then this guy right here. Ooh, you can hear the tool struggling. This one is the 10.5 by 11.5. That's this tray right here. It's very nice. It is definitely reflective. You can see the camera and me and everything in it. Hey, how's it going, everybody? That is a nice tray. Let's see if we can get these stickers off. Sure, we'll get the tape off later. You know, after grease and everything's been shoved all over it. Just a quick unboxing though. Just unboxed everything we grabbed. The trays are nice though. I do like these trays. I do have a crap ton of trays. You see, you can grab the light. I have a lot of these trays. These are all the Pittsburgh trays that you usually get for free. You used to get for free. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think I have 12 total of the 4-inch. Yeah, there's 2 4-inch right there. And then I have all the six trays down here. They're behind this rack with the onions. I have about 8 of those. And then I have 2 of these. This one right here, which has the plastic handle. And then I got one of those with the plastic handle in here. Right there. It's got bolts and stuff in it. But all in all, these trays are pretty nice. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today for this quick little unboxing. I'm surprised this power cutter cut through that cardboard. That was pretty impressive. But anywho, so I appreciate you guys stopping by, hanging out with me today. There's a little bit of cardboard flakes stuck on these magnets, which is not a big deal. But please go like, comment, and subscribe. Smoosh the bell notification icon if you guys want to see future updates. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tool affiliate links. Hopefully I will see you guys on the next video, and hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace!